Okay, so guys, this is like form of like a continuation video of the previous one on how to catch spike on crash and boom. So right now, at this point, using the 15-minute time frame, we can see it's giving us a sell condition. The red moving average has crossed below the green moving average, which indicates a sell. Which indicates a sell for us. So guys, here's what we need right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I want to place a buy. Okay, I just placed a buy for boom 500. Yeah, because it's going to buy, it's going to spike. Okay guys, this is more like a continuation video from the previous one. So you can see I bought boom 500 and it's on profit. So I told you it's going to spike. This is, yeah, you can see, you can confirm it's the same time. It's the same time. So I placed the trade for boom 500 to spike. Why did I enter this trade? It was because the red moving average crossed below the green moving average and then it spiked. So you see the strategy, guys, it works. It works. Other traders, they won't tell you this. I'm telling you this. They won't tell you. They won't let you know the strategy. So it spikes. You see, right? This is a continuation. You remember I was talking about the 15-minute time frame, that it won't be able to break through this resistance without spiking. You see, guys, it was here before. I told you it won't be able to break in this support level without spiking, without getting a spike. You see, so it broke through the support level, it just touched and then it spiked. You'll be able to see how it was previously from the previous video. It was just immediately after the video I did this one, but I was too late to be able to cover the spike. So before I could start, the spike occurred already, but I placed the trade before the spike. So you see, guys, okay, maybe you understand it better from the 15-minute time frame. It was about to break through this support level. It was about to break through this support level, and then you see it spiked. I told you it won't. It will have to consolidate before it can break through. If it will, before it can break through, it will have to consolidate. You see, at this point, before it broke through this support, it spiked. It spiked. It had to consolidate. So you can catch these spikes. You can catch these spikes, but the 1 minute time frame must be telling you to place a trade just like this point. Catch spikes. And then when it's not working on your favor, you close your trade after 12 candles. There's no big deal there. It's a simple strategy. If it's not working for your favor, after 12 candles, you close your trade. Then you get another one. You get more. You understand? That's how it works. But I'm just showing you what to make sure, what to note for you to know that it must spike. Like for a support or resistance level, breaking a support or resistance level, it will consolidate. So you can use the opportunity to catch such spikes. Then also for I also told you about in the 1 minute time frame that some moves like this red moving average, when it crossed below this green one, it did not move. It's a rigid one, so definitely it will spike. This one is a movable one, it's not rigid.